Alright guys, so as you can see right over here on my screen, today's revenue is $712. I'm going to come here and reload the page. Alright, so let me right click inside the page and I reload it, and right over here you can see the amount is still in that. Let me come up here and also reload the page, and you can also basically see that the amount is entered. So practically you can make money with CPA marketing if you go ahead and do legit work. Okay, I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how you can be able to do all of this in just few seconds. You're going to be able to get paid for your effort. Let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is to get access to offer you want to promote. Some of the options you have here is monetization tools and offer tools. So if you come here and choose offer tools, you're going to go ahead and pick offer from specific country. But in the case of monetization tools, what you need to do is to go ahead and create a digital item. Now, you can be using ChatGPT to be creating digital item. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps on how you can use ChatGPT to go ahead and create digital item that people are interested in. And then you can use this particular item that you create with ChatGPT to go ahead and earn with monetization tools with Content Locker. So the next one I'm going to show you is to scroll down over here, and then you can access top performing offers. Practically, these offers pay you if you go ahead and promote any of the offers. And one good news is that it pays higher than offer tools and monetization tools as well. So if you come here, you can go ahead and grab any of the options that you have here, and then you're going to get paid each of the amount that you perform, okay, or you carry out the task. So I'm going to recommend that you go ahead and pick at least multiple offer from here and place all the offers in a landing page. Take note that the earnings depends on the effort you put. So everybody cannot earn the same amount of money the same time, right? So you are going to go ahead and put effort. Make sure you work very hard in order for you to get the desired result. Of course, you can see right over here that the payment is a bit small, $2, $1, even some cent. You can see we have 10 cents here. But if placing all the offers in a landing page can actually help you to accumulate multiple tasks and be able to go ahead and make more money in a day. All right, guys. So this is ChatGPT. We're going to be making money with ChatGPT using CPA marketing. Now, the first thing you need to look at is the people or the audience you want to promote this particular offer with. So a content locker is one of the best way to actually make more money with CPA marketing. So how can you use ChatGPT to create a content locker with any CPA network? So we're going to come right over here and type this prompt. Just make sure you watch the prompt because I'm going to type it right now, and then go ahead and generate something legit that you can actually use in your content locker to go ahead and make money from CPA marketing. All right, so this is the prompt you are going to be using in ChatGPT. Let me go ahead and read it aloud. I want to give something very interesting that my audience will not want to lose or miss out, but I want to content lock the free offer so that they will take action before unlocking the offer. Give me 3 great offers and generate the digital item. So once you have this prompt, you're going to go ahead and send it. ChatGPT is going to go ahead and generate all that you need in order for you to content lock this digital item. It could be PDF, it could be anything, but all you need to do is you're going to put them in a content locker that your audience will be interested in, and they're going to go ahead and take action so that they can get access to the content locker. Okay, so the first offer is the CPA quick start swipe file. Then the second one is the viral video blueprint. The third one is the free traffic launchpad toolkit. Okay, so this is exactly what you have now. So we have our 3 digital items that we can actually go ahead and promote it and content lock this inside content locker. Okay, and our audience are going to be eager to get access. Your brandable digital item, you can see click convert vault. Use the click and convert vault as the umbrella. Okay, so go ahead and use this digital item, lock it inside content locker with CPAGrip, and then you are going to make your audience to go ahead and click on it. Once they submit simple email, you are going to earn money for doing that. So let me share some free websites that can be able to drive organic traffic to your CPA offer after you have created your content locker and you have set up everything and you are ready to go ahead and start promoting. The first one is Red Note, as you can see right over here on the screen. Okay, so a hybrid content commerce network. From here, you can be able to generate traffic from USA and be able to get people to actually download the digital PDF file that you are actually sharing. Then the second one here is No Place. Now it's a test only early internet vibe. Okay. So social site where every profile is fully customizable and user connect via shared interest. So you can also be able to drive organic traffic from this website. There is still another one I'm going to mention right over here. PIFYI. It's a perfect imperfect. Okay. Perfectly imperfect. Okay. Burn out the Indio newsletter scene. So you can get all the free traffic that you need from here. If you come down here, the fourth one here is fan base. Think Instagram, okay, Patreon, creators post photos, video stories, and live stream. Okay, so people are engaging massively currently right now in 2025. These are the top, at least the first top traffic sources you can actually stump upon right now and be able to get traffic out of them. So let me explain how you can leverage these free traffics. The first one is anchor links. Always include a clear trackable URL in your first comment or bio. Then content hooks. Tailor your post format, product, or demos. Okay, especially on Red Note, test driven stories. Okay, and No Place. Then the next one is community engagement. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes daily responding to comments before you can get people to begin to attract to your comment or your post in this platform. It is algorithmic visibility that you need to put in place first, especially when you consider you as a new beginner or the first comer. So these are the secret of generating traffic in almost all the social media platforms. If it is Facebook that you want to drive traffic from, also consider your time that you're going to be spending on the platform, because you want people that are spending time to actually engage with your post. So if you go ahead and spend quality time, the system will automatically recognize your presence and begin to push whatever content you want to share as valuable content. So guys, this is Macro Hustle TV. In this channel, we focus more on teach how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, tips and tricks that can help you to scale up and grow your business online. If you want to join our one-on-one mentorship training course, okay, you can basically go ahead and check out the link in the bio, okay, or in the video description. If you have not subscribed, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This way, you get notified once a new video is published. All right. So go ahead and click on this particular website link, which will lead you to the mentorship description link. Right. If you have not joined our membership pack on YouTube, where we upload awesome plugins every single Sunday, come here and click on the join button to become Macro Hustle Big fans. Come ahead and click on the playlist also to go ahead and watch other videos where we've talked about so many powerful ways you can actually be able to earn and make money with CPA marketing. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.